Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something different and we are out on the hiking trails just west of Chattanooga, Tennessee. There's the gang over there looking at an overlook. At Lookout Mountain, we're doing the Glen Falls Trail at the moment. Thought we'd take you along, do something a little bit different, see if you wanted to hang out, catch up with us and see what we're up to. And if you want to subscribe and follow along with more stuff like this, be sure to check back. We're doing several trails and different things in the area today and the rest of the week. Thought we'd bring you along, see what it was all about. We're on a little small side trail from the main trail just to see a tiny waterfall that comes down through here. We had a huge amount of rainfall in the area last night when we got into town, so the trails are a little bit muddy. Everything's kind of washed away, but yeah, we can check out a few of the little waterfalls on the way to the main falls. So a little water crossing back there. Like I said, it rained a lot yesterday and last night, so I'm sure it probably would have been flooded a little earlier or then, but luckily we could get through it, keep dry. Then you saw the trees across the path. I don't know if they'll clean that up. It's easy to get over, but if you can't get over them, climb on them, you might want to consider that if you do happen to come here, but they may clean this up and shouldn't be a problem. Well, I may have spoke too soon about staying dry. If you come here after a rain, you may have to do some rock hopping, so hopefully you don't fall off into the water. We'll see if all four of us can make it through. A little squishy at the end. See if we have any casualties. There went Bull in the china shop. Here's the one that can't get her shoes wet. And the one that wears Crocs to everything.
Best shoes ever.
We made it. little tight fit through here. So if you're very tall, claustrophobic, or wide, you may want to skip this part, but it's a very short tunnel. And worth it for the view at the top also. That was just a quick little video to show you the Out and Back Again trail to Glen Falls Waterfall. Really pretty trail, very short, half a mile there, half a mile back. Once you get closer to the trail, it's a little bit more moderate, I guess you would say. There's a lot of rocks sticking up, which you would expect. A lot of ankle twisters, ankle turners. So, you know, you have to get over a few obstacles like that. So then the first part of the trail is pretty smooth for the most part. So not too bad at all. Just wanted to take you along on another quick little video. We're doing some tourist stuff, travel videos. Wanted to show you what we're up to if you want to follow along on the channel. Give you a break from some of the other stuff we're doing and show you what else we're up to. So if you want to hit like, I'd appreciate it. Subscribe for more stuff like this and everything else we're doing. And we'll catch you in the next one. Follow along for the rest of the series of what we're up to around the Chattanooga area. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.